So here we are, 5 o'clock on a Saturday afternoon. Harriet and I have been up since 4:30, and I was getting upstairs, clean and dusted, and everything nice. It looks so cosy up there. I can't take you up to look now because, it's people have got their stuff in there. So we've done that, and we've cooked lunch, haven't we, Harriet? She helped me. She supervised, and that went exceptionally well. I'm so full now. So full I can hardly breathe. I eat more when I have people here. I eat more in one day than I do in the whole rest of the week. It's, it just doesn't seem worthwhile to me to spend a lot of energy cooking when it's only just for one. But I suppose it is really, and I can always put portions away for another day. I think that's what I'm going to start doing. Gosh, I'm so tired now. I sound like Chantal, but I'm so tired. It's been windy, it's still windy, and raining, gale force winds and rain. And let's have a look at her, see if she looks up. She's had a big lunch also. She was late finishing breakfast, and then she had some lunch. And then she was begging. But she got nothing off me, I hasten to say. She's a little tyrant. This fountain, Harriet likes to put her paw on the middle bit and see the water come out all ways. And I think it massages her paws, which she likes. Harriet, sweetheart, Harriet, hello. No? Supermodel. Tail is wrapped around. Nose is firmly tucked inside. And I think that's going to be Harriet for a few hours. We've had a long morning, haven't we, Pet? Telly's on in the other room. And I'm just going to rest my back. It's nice. I love it when people are here. So I'm going to stay here until, well, probably about 7. And then we'll get together again. And I don't think I can eat anything else today, to be honest. Oh, there I am. I don't think I can eat anything else. Oh, do I look like that woman posing? I don't think so. Okay, everybody, I'll be back later.